Welcome to topic 2 of module 2. In this topic, we will be trying to make a relationship between anomaly detection and different machine learning methods like supervised machine learning and unsupervised machine learning. Now, anomaly detection in the context of supervised machine learning means that we actually learn that algorithm, both the legitimate and the anomaly cases as well. So let's take a look at an example from the credit card transactions. So when we use the supervised learning model, we have a large number of both legitimate and fraudulent transactions with which to train our model. So now supervised machine learning is suited for the problem if we expect the future instances of the fraud as well to look similar to the examples of the fraud we have in the training data set. So we know the patterns that are present in the training data set, and more or less those are the patterns that will appear in the testing data set as well. Now, the credit card companies are actually looking for very specific patterns in the transactions. So they have a large, for example, one pattern is that if you have large purchases made after the small purchases, now this is a kind of a specific pattern. From an unusual location as well, you suddenly start doing transaction from any part of the world that you have not visited before, and you have purchases the product that does not fit the customer spending profile, so you start doing some transactions on the internet that you have not done before. So these are the specific patterns that credit card companies are looking in finding the fraudulent transactions. Now, when we see the anomaly detection in the context of unsupervised machine learning, so one example is the server breaches. Now, the reason is that it is very difficult to build the profile of every possible method of intrusion in the system. So what we do is that we tell the system the normal behavior, and then we ask the system to identify us any abnormal behavior which is the deviation from the normal behavior. So for example, server breaches are sometimes caused by zero-day attacks. Zero-day attacks are not known before. We cannot train the model with the zero